Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use the Qwarta home credit in grocery stores. So first is you have to log in into the app and then make sure your Qwarta credit line is active. And then here on the home screen, you have to look for the QR icon. So this one at the bottom center. And this is how you pay using your Qwarta balance. So here at the grocery store, you can ask the cashier like, do you accept QRPH? Like home credit uses QRPH, so the store must have a QRPH payment code. Many supermarkets accept QRPH like Pure Gold, Walter Mart, Isano, but always confirm it first. So the cashier will show you a QRPH code near the counter. So you just have to open your home credit app, scan the QR code, and then scan the code. And then after that, you just have to type the total bill. Then the app will automatically use the Qwarta for payment. And then I just have to check the amount and store details. And then you just have to tap the confirm and pay option. And then the payment will be charged to your Qwarta credit. And then you just have to wait for the approval. So you will see a success screen in the app. So the cashier will receive confirmation too. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.